If you've been into K-pop for a while now, I'm sure you know who X1 is. X1 was an 11-member boy group that was formed through the Mnet survival show Produce X 101. The group debuted on August 27, 2019 with the single Flash under Swing Entertainment. Their contract was intended for 5 years after debut, with a 2.5-year exclusive contract and another 2.5-year non-exclusive contract, meaning that the individual members can return to co-promote with their original agencies after the first half of their contract is over. By the way, make sure you hit the subscribe button to get updates on this channel. Also, please press like if you like my content and share it amongst your other K-pop friends. What actually happened to X1? During the live broadcast of the final episode of Produce X 101 on July 19, 2019, several viewers suspected that Mnet had tampered with the total votes. After noticing some of the final rankings were multiples of 7,494. In response to the allegations, Mnet admitted that there were errors in calculation, but also maintained that the final rankings were correct and that there was no intention of changing X1's member lineup. On 1st August 2019, 272 viewers filed a lawsuit against Mnet for electoral fraud, as their on-site text voting service charged 100 won per vote. Following this lawsuit, several brands cancelled their endorsement deals with X1 or put them on hold. On 20th August 2019, a search warrant was issued on CJ E&M's offices and a text voting company by the Seoul Metropolitan Police Agency. During their first search, the police uncovered voice recordings of the staff members discussing vote manipulation on the previous seasons of the show, resulting in them extending their investigation to all 4 seasons of the Produce 101 series, Idol School, Show Me the Money, and Superstar K. Despite this, X1 debuted on August 27, 2019 with a debut showcase at Gochok Skydome. On September 3rd, X1 won their first ever music show win through SBS MTV's The Show, 1 week after debut. They received 11 wins in total for their debut song Flash. On November 5th, 2019, the producer of Produce X101 was arrested, and he later admitted that all 11 members had been selected before the end of the show. This affected X1's image and caused several public appearances to be cancelled. Mnet announced that there were currently no plans for the group to promote. On December 30th, 2019, CJ E&M announced that the members and their agencies were in discussion on the group's future. On January 6th, 2020, CJ E&M, Swing Entertainment, and the members' individual agencies held a meeting to determine the future of the group. After deliberating for an hour about whether the group should continue promoting or disband, a secret ballot was held by the members' agencies. The agencies agreed prior to voting that the group could only continue if there was a unanimous agreement, or else the group would disband. 4 agencies voted to continue, 4 agencies voted to disband, and 1 agency whose vote was unclear was ultimately discarded. Thus, it was determined that the group would disband. Once, the X1 fandom was distraught as this vote manipulation scandal had nothing to do with the members itself. These guys had worked extremely hard, having trained for years, and finally got a chance at success by debuting with X1, but were forced to disband without having their opinions taken into consideration. Prior to debut, X1 made their Billboard chart debut on the charts Social 50 and Emerging Artists at number 6 and number 11, making them the first Korean artists to land a spot on the Social 50 prior to debut. X1 sold over 500,000 physical copies of their debut EP in the first week of sales, hence breaking the record for having the highest first week sales for a debut album. On July 26, 2020, the group's debut and only music video Flash reached over 100 million views on YouTube. In doing so, Flash has become the fastest boy group debut music video to reach 100 million views on YouTube. If X1 was an active group right now, they would undoubtedly be one of the top groups in K-pop, competing with the likes of BTS, 17 and other groups. Now let's talk about what the members are up to now. We will start with Sangwoo, who was the leader of X1. Sangwoo, born in 1994, was already active in the group Victon prior to debuting with X1. After X1's disbandment, he went back to being an active member of Victon, who put out successful songs like Howling and Mayday. He also had a solo debut in August 2020 with the album Fame. Sungyeon. Born in 1996, Sungyeon debuted in the Chinese-Korean boy group Unique in 2014. However, the group has been inactive for a while now. Prior to joining Produce X101, Sungyeon had appeared on the show Show Me the Money and then ended up debuting on July 29, 2016 under the stage name Louise. He participated in songwriting and producing for other artists like Eden. In 2018, he put out several self-produced songs like Pool and Different under the stage name Woods. After the disbandment of X1, Sungyeon went on to have a solo comeback on June 29, 2020 with his first mini-album Equal, with lead single Love Me Harder surpassing 100,000 sales. Usok. Born in 1996, Usok was an active member of the group Uptension under the stage name Ushin. However, after X1's disbandment, he did not go back to the group. Instead, he had a solo debut. On May 25, 2020, Usok released his first mini-album First Desire, Greed, with the title song Red Moon surpassing 100,000 sales. Johan. Born in 1999, Johan had only trained for a duration of 3 months before joining the show. After X1's disbandment, Johan was in the talks to make his acting debut in the show School 2020. However, the show was later cancelled. On June 17th, UI Entertainment announced that they will be debuting a new boy group, tentatively called UI Boys, in the second half of the year. Before the debut of this new group, Johan released a solo song titled No More on August 25th. On October 5th, 2020, Johan debuted in the 6-member group Y, with release of their first EP titled Identity First Sight, with lead single Twilight, alongside former Produce 101 contestants Donghan and Daehyun, and Produce X101 contestant Seokhwa. Hangyeol. Born in 1999, Hangyeol used to be a member of the group IM. In 2017, he participated in The Unit, an idol rebooting show, but finished 13th, not winning a place in the final lineup. After X1's disbandment, Hangyeol alongside X1 member Dohyun debuted as a part of a duet group H&D in February 2020 under MBK Entertainment. On September 23rd, he was introduced as one of the members of the pre-debut 9-member boy group Bay 173, set to debut soon under Pocketdale Studio, a subsidiary of MBK. Junho. Born in 2002, Junho is a Ulim trainee. On September 4th, Ulim Entertainment confirmed the debut of their new 7-member boy group, including 6 Produce X101 trainees, namely Junho, Yunsong, Changguk, Dongyun, Ehyop, Minso, and Alex. The group, named Drippin, is set to debut in October 2020. Dongpyo. Born in 2002, Dongpyo is currently a trainee under DSP Media. He is part of a pre-debut project group called DSPN alongside 3 other trainees. They frequently post dance and vocal covers as well as vlogs on their YouTube channel. Minhee. Born in 2002, Minhee is currently an active idol under Starship Entertainment. He debuted in the 9-member group Gravity alongside X1 member Hyungjun and former Produce X101 contestants Wonjin and Jongmo on April 14, 2020 with the release of the mini-album Hideout, Remember Who We Are Season 1. Insang. Born in 2002, Insang is an active idol under Brand New Music. On August 13, 2020, it was announced that he would be making his solo debut on August 31st with the single album Beautiful Scar. He is currently active as a solo artist. However, it's heavily implied that he'll be debuting in a group with the other Brand New Music trainees that participated in Produce X101. Hyungjun. Born in 2002, Hyunjun is an active member of the new boy group Gravity alongside X1 member Minhee. The group was formed by Starship Entertainment and debuted on April 14, 2020, selling over 150,000 albums. Dohyun. Born in 2004, Dohyun was the maknae of X1. Post X1's disbandment, Do-hyun went on to debut in the duet group H&D alongside member Hangul and is currently set to debut in a 9-member group called Bae 173. It's so exciting to see that every member is actively promoting as an idol, and the amount of success they're achieving even after the disbandment of such a promising group. Let's hope we get some sort of an X1 reunion soon. Comment down below what else you'd like to watch a video on. Thanks for watching.